Have you ever noticed your muscles weakening as you age, even though you're eating well? This is a common experience for people over 50, when the body naturally begins to lose muscle mass and strength. Doctors call this process sarcopenia, and it affects balance, mobility, and independence. What makes this more concerning is that even with proper meals during the day, many people still feel their muscles getting softer or weaker as the years go by. It can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to stay active and strong. What often gets overlooked is that the body doesn't just build and repair muscle while you're awake. The most important repair happens during the night when you're sleeping. At that time, your body releases growth hormones, restores energy levels, and begins repairing the tiny tears and muscle fibers that occur from everyday movements. This is why researchers describe sleep as the body's natural workshop. Without enough rest and the right nutrients, muscles struggle to heal and rebuild themselves. For seniors, this nighttime repair process is even more critical. During deep sleep, protein synthesis in muscles is at its highest, yet many older adults are deficient in key nutrients that allow this process to work properly. This means, even if you're resting enough hours, your muscles may not be repairing at the speed or strength they once did. Doctors often explain that it's not only the hours of sleep that matter, but also what raw materials your body has available during that time. The encouraging news is that there are simple ways to give your body the building blocks it needs while you sleep. 2 specific vitamins, when present in the right amounts, can turn nighttime into a powerful muscle-building phase. They provide support for stronger protein repair, better hormone balance, and more efficient energy use during rest. Many clinical studies have found that seniors with higher levels of these nutrients maintain more strength, recover faster, and experience fewer problems with balance and mobility. If your body could rebuild itself while you sleep, wouldn't you want to know how? Number 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D should be used because it plays a central role in maintaining muscle strength and supporting the body's ability to repair itself while you rest. Research shows that this nutrient is essential for protein synthesis, the process by which muscles rebuild after daily activity. During the night, when the body focuses on repair and recovery, vitamin D becomes a key factor in helping microscopic tears in muscle fibers heal more efficiently. Without enough of it, muscles may remain weak, recovery slows, and strength declines over time. For seniors, this is especially concerning because weakened muscles increase the risk of imbalance, difficulty walking, and even falls, which are a leading cause of injury after the age of 60. Doctors often warn that people over 50 are far more likely to have low vitamin D levels. This is partly because the skin produces less vitamin D from sunlight with age, and partly because many seniors spend less time outdoors. Even in sunny regions, studies have found widespread vitamin D deficiency among older adults. When levels are too low, the body struggles not only with muscle strength, but also with calcium absorption, which is necessary for bone health. This double strain on both muscle and bone creates a dangerous cycle where mobility and independence can steadily decline. Taking vitamin D in the evening, whether through carefully chosen foods or a supplement recommended by a doctor, provides the body with what it needs during its natural repair cycle at night. Clinical studies have shown that seniors with sufficient vitamin D experience better muscle performance, greater leg strength, and improved balance compared to those who are deficient. Some doctors even suggest that correcting vitamin D levels may reduce the frequency of falls in older patients, giving them more confidence in daily activities. This is why many health professionals call it one of the most important vitamins for aging well. It is important, however, to avoid taking too much. Excess vitamin D can strain the kidneys and cause problems with calcium buildup. Most doctors recommend having blood levels tested before starting supplements, so the dosage is safe and effective. For many people, a moderate daily intake, either from fortified foods, fatty fish, or prescribed supplements, is enough to restore healthy levels. By ensuring vitamin D is available in the body before sleep, you give your muscles the best chance to rebuild, strengthen, and protect your independence. Number 2. Magnesium. Magnesium should be used because it directly supports muscle repair during the night. This mineral is responsible for helping muscles relax after activity, reducing painful cramps, and allowing protein synthesis to occur properly. When the body has enough magnesium, it can shift smoothly into the deeper stages of sleep, where recovery is most effective. Without it, sleep is often shallow and interrupted, which means the body never fully reaches the phase where growth hormones are released and muscle fibers are rebuilt. Doctors often emphasize that magnesium is not just a sleep aid, but a nutrient that enables the body to recover its strength naturally while resting. For seniors, the importance of magnesium is even greater. Studies have shown that older adults are far more likely to be deficient because of dietary gaps, reduced absorption, or the use of certain medications such as diuretics and blood pressure drugs. Low magnesium levels can lead to restless nights, frequent leg cramps, or difficulty staying asleep. These problems not only reduce comfort, but also rob the body of its chance to heal and maintain muscle mass. Restoring magnesium levels has been shown to improve sleep quality, reduce nighttime awakenings, and increase the release of natural growth hormones, which are directly tied to muscle preservation and repair. Doctors sometimes recommend magnesium in the evening because of its calming effect on both the muscles and the nervous system. When levels are steady, the body enters deep sleep more easily, allowing the natural cycles of healing to continue undisturbed. Research has found that seniors with adequate magnesium often experience better physical performance, greater muscle strength, and fewer episodes of nighttime cramping compared to those who remain deficient. This is why many experts describe it as one of the most underrated nutrients for aging health. It is important, however, to avoid taking very high doses, as this can upset the stomach or cause loose stools. In some cases, excess magnesium can interact with medications, particularly those prescribed for blood pressure or heart conditions. Health professionals usually recommend starting with moderate amounts from foods such as leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, and then adding supplements only if needed under guidance. By keeping magnesium levels balanced, seniors can improve both the quality of their sleep and the strength of their muscles, giving the body the ability to restore itself naturally during the night. If you find this information valuable, I invite you to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. By doing so, you become part of a supportive community where people over 50 come together to stay stronger, healthier, and more independent. Let's stay strong together, because your single click could help this message reach someone else who truly needs it today.